This is problem number 1 for the exam. Now this problem gives us two different circuits, one with resistors hooked up in series and one with resistors hooked up in parallel. Each circuit has the same battery with voltage V connected to it, and each circuit also has the same 5 resistors hooked up to the battery, each with resistance R. The problem also tells us that the current of the circuit with the resistors in series is I, and that we have to find the current of the circuit with the resistors in parallel. The first part of this problem is finding the voltage. We know that voltage equals current times resistance, and that total resistance in series equals the sum of the resistors, which in this case equals 5R. Now because the batteries for each circuit is the same, we know that their voltage must be the same, so we can substitute the series voltage into the parallel voltage, which gives us 5Ri equals current in parallel times total resistance in parallel. Finding the total resistance in parallel is where I made my error. Because the resistors are in parallel, we know that 1 over the total resistance is equal to 1 over R plus 1 over R 5 times. So the total resistance should equal R over 5. I accidentally did total resistance equals 5 over R, forgetting to flip one side of the equation, which gave me the wrong answer. Once you find the total resistance, you simply plug it back into the modified V equals IR equation from above, and do some simple algebra to get the current in parallel equals 25 times the current in series.